Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by limiting damage. Trim any chipped polish so remover focuses on remaining layers. Once done, saturate a cotton pad with acetone-based remover. It works faster on stubborn polish because it breaks the film bonds. Make sure to protect the surrounding skin with petroleum jelly or tape to avoid dryness. Press the soaked pad onto the nail firmly and hold for 30-60 seconds so the solvent penetrates. This short soak both loosens pigment and reduces. After the initial soak, you press and wipe the pad in a single direction. This removes loosened polish without smearing. If residue remains, gently push it off with a wooden stick or a 240 grit buffer. You avoid aggressive scraping which damages the nail plate. Once a layer clears, inspect and repeat the soak for any remaining color, working nail by nail to keep the remover effective. Be patient. Multiple short soaks are safer than prolonged exposure to solvent. You finish by thoroughly washing hands to eliminate acetone residue, then gently buff if needed to smooth edges. Next, apply cuticle oil and a rich hand cream to restore moisture lost during removal. This helps prevent peeling and brittleness. If tiny spots remain, re-soak them for 15-30 seconds rather than scraping harder. If your skin reacts or feels overly dry, make sure to use a non-acetone remover next time and give nails a few days of oil treatment to recover.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.